If you wait to speak perfect English, you will never speak English.
Yes, and today you do not need perfect English.
Today, you only need simple, happy English.
And confidence. Even small confidence.
Today's topic is super important.
Yes, today we learn how to talk about your job in English.
Let's start right now. Hi, everyone. Welcome back to your favorite English channel.
My name is Jack.
And I'm Sarah. We are happy you are here.
And I'm Sarah. We're happy you are here.
Yes, today is a very useful lesson.
Many English learners feel shy when someone asks, "What is your job?"
I know. Some people freeze. Some people say, job, work, office, something.
I know some people freeze. Some people say, job, work, office, something.
And you can answer with confidence. Simple, clear English.
Before we start, if you want more easy English videos,
Please click like
and subscribe,
and share with your friends who also want to improve English.
okay, Sarah, ready?
I'm ready.
Let's begin our story.
Jack, I want to tell you something funny.
Oh no, when you say funny, I get nervous.
No, this is not scary. It's cute.
Okay, tell me.
So, last week, I met a new neighbor in my building.
A new neighbor?
Yes, very kind woman, maybe 30 years old.
Nice.
And she asked me a simple question.
What is your job?
Yes, that exact question.
That question always comes first.
Exactly. So she asked, "So, Sarah, what do you do?"
Classic question.
And I said, "I teach English."
Good answer?
Wait. Not finished.
Uh-oh.
She looked confused.
Why?
Why?
What did you say?
I said, "I teach English, but I also talk to a camera alone every day."
Oh, no.
She looked at me like, "Are you okay?"
Yes, that sounds strange.
She probably thought I talked to myself all day.
You should have said, "I teach English on YouTube."
Yes, but I forgot.
That happens.
And then she asked me another question.
What?
"Do you talk to the camera for fun?" I said, No, it's my job."
Poor neighbor. She probably went home and told her family, "My neighbor talks to cameras for work."
Maybe.
So what did you tell her exactly?
I explained slowly. I said, "I am an English teacher. I teach online. I make English videos."
Good. Simple. Clear.
She understood after that.
This story is perfect for today's lesson.
Yes, because many learners don't know how to talk about their job in simple English.
And sometimes we say something strange and people get confused.
Yes, just like my neighbor.
So today, we will teach you how to talk about your job easily, clearly, and confidently. Actually, Sarah, your story reminds me of a moment from last year.
Oh, tell us.
I said, "I work on YouTube."
Good, that's easy.
Yes, but then they said, "Oh, so you play games?" I said, No, I make English videos."
And then?
They said, "Oh, you teach babies ABCD songs?" I said, "No, not ABCD. I help adults learn English."
Some people think YouTube means games or kids' songs.
Exactly.
So we must explain clearly.
That's the key.
And today, we help all learners explain their job clearly.
Yes, we want you to feel strong and confident.
Let me continue my neighbor story because something funny happened one more time.
Oh, good. I love bonus stories.
So, after she asked me about my job, she told me about her job.
What does she do?
She works at a bank.
Simple. Easy to explain.
Yes, but she explained it in a very interesting way.
How?
She said, I work at a bank. I touch money all day.
That sounds funny.
I said, touch money? Like this? And she laughed. She said, I mean, I give money and take money.
Okay, she works at the counter.
Yes, she helps customers.
Many learners also explain their job like this.
Yes, sometimes they know the idea, but they don't know the right English words.
Exactly. So today's video will help them speak clearly
So today's video will help them speak clearly.
and not say, I touch money all day.
Yes, please don't say that.
Yes, please don't say that.
Nice. Go on.
My cousin works in a restaurant.
Chef?
No, waiter.
Ah, okay.
He always explained his job like this. I walk a lot, I carry plates, people shout at me. But he never said the easy word, waiter.
Yes.
He knows the word in his language, but in English he forgot.
This happens to many learners.
So I told him, just say, I am a waiter.
Simple.
Yes, and now he uses that sentence everywhere.
See, simple English is powerful.
Exactly.
You know, Jack, I hear many funny job explanations from students.
Me too.
One student said, I fix old people.
Oh no.
He wanted to say he is a physiotherapist.
Or maybe a caregiver.
Yes, but he said it in a scary way.
Poor old people.
Another student said, I wake up children.
What?
He is a school bus driver. He meant, I pick up children for school.
See, English changes everything.
Exactly.
That's why this lesson is very important.
Yes, we want students to speak clearly.
And safely.
Yes, please don't say, I fix old people.
Sarah, do you know what my first job was?
No, tell me.
I was a pizza delivery boy.
Really?
Yes.
That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
That sounds fun.
Sometimes scary.
Why scary?
One time, a big dog chased me.
Oh, no.
I ran fast, but the pizza box opened,
No.
and the pizza fell on the ground.
What a mess.
The customer came outside and said, "Where's my pizza?"
Oh, no.
I said, "Your pizza is everywhere." My manager was angry,
Poor Jack.
but now I can explain that job in English. I was a pizza delivery boy. I delivered pizzas to customers.
Perfect example. Simple sentence. My first job was in a small bookstore.
That sounds peaceful.
Sometimes peaceful, sometimes boring.
What did you do?
I organized books,
Nice.
and I helped customers.
Good.
But one customer asked me, do you have a book about aliens? And I said, real aliens or fake aliens?
Good question.
She said, real aliens.
Oh, wow.
I didn't know what to do.
What did you say?
Maybe not.
Oh.
That day was very funny.
And now you can explain your job clearly. I worked in a bookstore.
Yes. You know, Sarah, many English learners feel stressed when someone asks about their job
Yes.
because maybe they don't know the exact job name in English,
Or maybe their job is long and complicated.
like engineer, data analyst, human resources.
Yes.
Some jobs have difficult names.
But we will help you make them simple.
Very simple. Some jobs sound scary, like logistics coordinator.
Yes.
But
word.
simple English can explain anything.
Exactly.
I help move products from place to place.
Perfect.
Or I manage deliveries.
Simple.
See, you don't need big words.
Okay, Sarah, our stories were fun, but now let's teach our learners how to talk about their job.
Yes, now we start the real lesson.
But don't worry,
Yes, this is not difficult.
this is fun and simple,
And we will teach you step by step
with clear examples,
and with a lot of repetition.
because repetition helps your English grow.
Our first and most important phrase is I am a or I am an.
This is the easiest way to talk about your job.
Example, I am a teacher.
I am a driver.
I am an engineer.
I am an artist.
Very simple, right?
Yes, and learners sometimes forget this. Now repeat A after me. I am a. I am a teacher.
Good job! Now repeat after me. I am an. I am an engineer.
Nice. You're doing great.
The second useful phrase is I work in.
The second useful phrase is, I work in.
This is for places, fields, or general areas.
Not job titles.
Yes. For example, I work in a hospital. I work in a bank. I work in a school. I work in a restaurant.
Or for industries, I work in IT. I work in finance. I work in education.
Good. Now, repeat after me. I work in a hospital.
I work in IT.
Great job! You are learning fast. Our third phrase is I work as a.
This is for specific job titles.
For example, I work as a nurse. I work as a waiter. I work as a mechanic. I work as a manager.
Very useful.
Now repeat after me. I work as a nurse. I work as a manager.
Good. You're doing amazing.
Sometimes your job is not simple to explain.
Yes, and you don't know the English job title.
No problem. Use this phrase. I help people.
Example, I help people buy things. Shop worker.
I help people with their health. Nurse or therapist.
I help people with money. Bank worker.
I help people learn. Teacher.
Very simple.
Now repeat after me. I help people with their problems.
Great. This is one of my favorite phrases.
Yes.
My job is to.
And then you add an action.
Example, my job is to fix computers.
My job is to drive people.
My job is to design buildings.
My job is to cook food.
This phrase is super easy.
And very clear.
Okay, repeat after me. My job is to fix things.
My job is to help people.
Amazing! Okay, Jack, let me use those phrases to describe my neighbor's job again.
Good idea.
She works in a bank.
Yes.
She works as a bank teller.
Right.
Her job is to help customers.
Perfect.
She helps people take and give money.
Excellent.
She is a bank worker.
All correct. Now, my turn.
Go ahead.
I worked as a pizza delivery boy.
Good.
I worked in a restaurant.
Yes.
My job was to deliver pizzas.
Excellent.
I helped people get pizza.
Perfect explanation.
Yes, simple English always works.
Okay, everyone. Now we teach you more words for different jobs.
Yes, a big list of common jobs in simple English.
Let's begin. Teacher, a person who helps students learn.
Doctor, a person who helps sick people.
Nurse, a person who cares for patients.
Driver, a person who drives cars, buses, or trucks.
Chef, a person who cooks food.
Waiter, a person who serves food in restaurants.
Mechanic, a person who fixes machines or cars.
Engineer, a person who designs or builds things.
Artist, a person who creates art.
Shopkeeper, a person who works in a shop.
Security guard, a person who keeps places safe.
Cleaner, a person who cleans places.
Accountant, a person who works with money and numbers.
Receptionist, a person who welcomes people in an office or hotel.
Photographer, a person who takes photos.
Farmer, a person who grows food or raises animals.
Builder, a person who builds houses or buildings.
Tailor, a person who makes or fixes clothes.
Hairdresser, a person who cuts hair.
Software developer, a person who makes apps or programs.
Office worker, a person who works in an office.
Babysitter, a person who takes care of kids.
Cashier, a person who takes money in a store.
Taxi driver, a person who drives people to places.
Delivery person, a person who brings things to your home.
Electrician, a person who works with electricity.
Plumber, a person who fixes water pipes.
Cleaner, a person who cleans houses, offices, or schools.
Now, repeat some job names with us.
Teacher,
Doctor,
driver,
chef,
waiter,
engineer,
cleaner,
artist.
fantastic.
You sound great. Sarah, do you remember when I met someone at a conference and they had a very unusual job?
Oh yes, tell them.
He said, I am a professional tea taster.
I love this story.
I asked him, what does that mean?
Yes,
He said, I taste tea every day.
that sounds fun.
But then he said, sometimes I drink 50 cups in one day.
Oh no.
He said after 20 cups, everything tastes like water.
Poor guy.
But I asked him, how do you explain your job?
And what did he say?
He said, I work in tea quality. I work as a tea taster. My job is to test tea. I help companies choose good tea.
Perfect. Simple English.
Yes, he used our phrases. Now let's talk about actions you can say about your job.
Yes, these verbs help you explain what you do.
Help,
Teach,
fix,
build,
clean,
drive,
cook,
manage,
repair,
design,
deliver,
organize,
serve,
write,
test,
answer,
plan.
sell.
I help customers.
I teach children.
I fix cars.
I build houses.
I clean offices.
I drive a taxi.
I cook food.
I write reports.
I answer phone calls.
I help people learn English.
I design websites.
I deliver packages.
Now it's your turn.
Yes, you watching this video
Think about your job.
or your dream job.
Now say this sentence. I work in...
Good. Now say, I work as a...
Excellent. Now say, my job is to... You are doing amazing.
You are growing.
Your English is improving.
Step by step.
Day by day.
Sentence by sentence.
Many learners feel shy when talking about their job.
Yes.
They think, my English is not good enough.
But your English is good enough.
Yes, you only need simple sentences.
And simple vocabulary.
And confidence. When you speak, don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are normal.
Mistakes are part of learning. When you speak English today,
You're better than yesterday.
and tomorrow, you will be better than today.
So keep going.
Keep speaking.
Keep trying.
We are proud of you.
Yes, very proud.